Abandon. To leave something behind. Abandon. To leave something behind. Ability. Skill to do something. Ability. Skill to do something. Abolish. To end or stop something officially. Abolish. To end or stop something officially. Abrupt. Sudden and unexpected. Abrupt. Sudden and unexpected. Absence. Not being present. Absence. Not being present. Absorb. To take in, liquid or information. Absorb. To take in, liquid or information. Abundant. A lot, in large quantity. Abundant. A lot, in large quantity. Accelerate. To speed up. Accelerate. To speed up. Accompany. To go with someone. Accompany. To go with someone. Accomplish. To achieve or complete. Accomplish. To achieve or complete. Accurate. Correct and exact. Accurate. Correct and exact. Acquire. To get something. Acquire. To get something. Adopt. To change to fit a new situation. Adopt. To change to fit a new situation. Adequate. Enough or satisfactory. Adequate. Enough or satisfactory. Adjacent. Next to. Adjacent. Next to. Adjust. To change slightly. Adjust. To change slightly. Administer. Manage or control. Administer. Manage or control. Advocate. Support or recommend. Advocate. Support or recommend. Affect. To influence. Affect. To influence. Aggregate. Total amount. Aggregate. Total amount. Aid. Help or support. Aid. Help or support. Allocate. To distribute or give out. Allocate. To distribute or give out. Alter. To change. Alter. To change. Ambiguous. Unclear. Ambiguous. Unclear. Amend. To improve or correct. Amend. To improve or correct. Analysis. Detailed study. Analysis. Detailed study. Annual. Happening every year. Annual. Happening every year. Anticipate. To expect. Anticipate. To expect. Apparent. Clear or obvious. Apparent. Clear or obvious. Appropriate. Suitable and correct. Appropriate. Suitable and correct. Approve. To accept or agree. Approve. To accept or agree. Arise. To happen or occur. Arise. To happen or occur. Assess. To evaluate. Assess. To evaluate. Assign. To give a task. Assign. To give a task. Assist. To help. Assist. To help. Assume. To believe without proof. Assume. To believe without proof. Attain. To reach or achieve. Attain. To reach or achieve. Authority. Power or control. Authority. Power or control. Available. Ready to use. Available. Ready to use. Aware. Knowing. aware, knowing, benefit, advantage or good result, benefit, advantage or good result, bias, an unfair preference, bias, an unfair preference, brief, short, brief, short, capable, able to do something, capable, able to do something, capacity, ability or space, capacity, ability or space, cease, to stop, cease, to stop, challenge, difficult task or problem, challenge, difficult task or problem, clarify, make clear, clarify, make clear, coherent, logical and well connected, coherent, logical and well connected, coincide, happen at the same time, coincide, happen at the same time, collapse, fall down, collapse, fall down, commence, to begin, commence, to begin, commitment, strong promise, commitment, strong promise, commodity, product for sale, commodity, product for sale, compatible, able to work together, compatible, able to work together, compile, collect into one place, compile, collect into one place, component, part of something, component, part of something, comprise, to include, comprise, to include, conceive, to imagine or create an idea, conceive, to imagine or create an idea, concentrate, focus, concentrate, focus, conclude, to finish or decide, conclude, to finish or decide, conduct, to lead or carry out, conduct, to lead or carry out, confer, to discuss, confer, to discuss, confirm, prove true, confirm, prove true, conflict, disagreement, conflict, disagreement, constant, always happening, constant, always happening, constitute, to form or make, constitute, to form or make, constrain, to limit, constrain, to limit, construct, to build, construct, to build, consume, to use up, consume, to use up, contact, communication, contact, communication, context, situation or background, context, situation or background, contrast, difference, contrast, difference, contribute, to give or add, contribute, to give or add, controversy, public disagreement, controversy, public disagreement, convene, to come together, convene, to come together, converge, come close together, converge, come close together, convert, change into another form, convert, change into another form, core, central or main part, core, central or main part, correspond, to match or relate, correspond, to match or relate, Criteria. Standards for judgment. Criteria. Standards for judgment. Crucial. Very important. Crucial. Very important. Currency. Money system. Currency. Money system. Cycle. Repeated process. Cycle. Repeated process. Data. Information. Data. Information. Decade. 10 years. Decade. 10 years. Decline. To decrease. Decline. To decrease. Deduce. Figure out by reasoning. Deduce. Figure out by reasoning. Define. Explain the meaning. Define. Explain the meaning. Demonstrate. Show clearly. Demonstrate. Show clearly. Deny. Refuse to accept. Deny. Refuse to accept. Derive. Get from something. Derive. Get from something. Despite. In spite of. Despite. In spite of. Detect. To discover. Detect. To discover. Deviate. Go in a different direction. Deviate. Go in a different direction.